Before the day gets busy, there is one quiet moment. A moment before messages, before work, before noise, before everyone needs something from you. This morning, I want you to take that moment. Just for yourself. Maybe your English is not perfect yet. Maybe speaking still feels difficult. Maybe you understand more than you can say. That is completely normal. Today is not about being perfect. Today is about starting gently. Hey, welcome to English Shadowing Lab. I'm Maria. This is day 2 of our English shadowing practice. Today, we will practice simple English through my morning routine. Repeat with me. Don't think. Just speak. First, listen to my voice. Then repeat the rhythm. Do not translate every word. Do not worry about mistakes. Your mouth needs practice. Your ears need time. And your confidence needs patience. No pressure today, just a calm voice, a quiet morning, and one small step forward. All right, now the real practice begins. Listen first. Breathe slowly. Repeat after me. Do not rush. Just follow my voice. Take a deep breath, and let's begin. My morning starts very quietly. I open my eyes slowly. The room still feels warm. The light touches the wall. I do not move quickly. I stay still for a moment. I listen to my breathing. I hear the world outside. A car passes far away. The window looks bright today. The morning feels soft and calm. I reach for my glasses. I put them on slowly. Everything becomes clear again. I smile a little. Not a big smile, just a small morning smile. I tell myself it is okay. Today does not need perfection. Today only needs patience. I sit up in bed. My feet touch the floor. The floor feels a little cold. I laugh softly to myself. Yeah, that wakes me up. I stretch my arms gently. My shoulders feel less heavy. I breathe in. I breathe out. I whisper, "Good morning." Then I stand up slowly. I do not check my phone. Not yet. My mind needs quiet first. The phone can wait. Messages can wait too. I walk to my small desk. My notebook is already there. My pen is beside it. My coffee cup is waiting. The room is still peaceful. I open the curtain a little. The city looks calm outside. The sky is warm and golden. Sunlight touches the window. A bus moves slowly past. The light reflects on the glass. For a moment, I just watch. I like that quiet moment. It feels like a small gift. Then I make my coffee. The sound is simple. The smell fills the room. I hold the warm cup. The steam moves near my face. I take one small sip. It is hot. I wait a little. Then I smile again. This is my favorite part. Nothing big is happening, but I feel present. I feel here. I feel awake now. I sit near the microphone. The headphones rest on my head. My notebook is open. My hand touches the page. I write one simple sentence. Today I will move slowly. That sentence helps me. It makes the morning lighter. I do not need to hurry. I do not need to panic. I only need to begin. Some mornings feel easy. Some mornings feel difficult. But I still begin. I begin with water. I begin with breathing. I begin with one clear thought. I am allowed to start small. Repeat that with me. I am allowed to start small. I am allowed to start small. Good. Say it softly. I am allowed to start small. That sentence matters. Many people wake up stressed. They think about work. They think about money. They think about yesterday. They think about everything. And before the day starts, their mind is already tired. I understand that feeling. I really do. This morning I felt it too. I looked at my phone. There were many notifications. For a second I felt pressure. My chest became tight. Then I put the phone down. I said, not yet. My peace comes first. My morning comes first. My breath comes first. So I returned to my coffee. I returned to the window. I returned to myself. That small choice changed everything. Now repeat slowly. My peace comes first. My morning comes first. My breath comes first. I return to myself. Beautiful. Keep going. I drink my coffee slowly. I do not rush the morning. I write 3 simple things. First, I am grateful. Second, I am learning. Third, I will keep going. The words are not perfect, but they are honest. Honest words feel powerful. They make the day softer. They make the heart calmer. Then I listen to English. Only for a few minutes. I do not study hard. I just listen. I let English fill the room. I repeat small sentences. Sometimes I sound strange. Sometimes I forget the words. Sometimes I stop and laugh. And that is okay. Learning should feel human. Not perfect, not stressful, just human. Repeat after me. Learning should feel human. Mistakes are part of learning. My voice is getting stronger. I speak a little every day. I am not afraid today. Good. Again, gently. My voice is getting stronger. I speak a little every day. I am not afraid today. The room feels warmer now. The coffee is almost finished. The microphone is in front of me. The notebook is beside my hand. I look at the first sentence again. Today, I will move slowly. It still feels true. I close my eyes for a moment. I take another deep breath. I feel more ready now. Not perfectly ready. Just ready enough. That is all I need. Ready enough is enough. Repeat with me. Ready enough is enough. I do not need perfection. I only need to begin. I can begin slowly. I can begin kindly. I can begin today. Very good. Stay relaxed. Keep your voice soft. Do not force the sound. Let it flow naturally. This is real practice. This is how confidence grows. A little listening, a little repeating, a little courage every single morning. Now the routine continues. I clean my small desk. I move the cup aside. I open my notebook again. I choose one simple goal. Only one goal today. Too many goals feel heavy. One goal feels possible. So I write it down. Speak English for 10 minutes. That is enough. 10 minutes can change something. 10 minutes can build trust. 10 minutes can build rhythm. 10 minutes can build confidence. Repeat slowly. One goal feels possible. 10 minutes is enough. I can practice today. I can speak with patience. I can improve slowly. Nice. You are doing well. Now listen to the feeling. This morning is not perfect, but it is peaceful. I am not perfect, but I am trying. My English is not perfect, but my voice is alive. That matters more. A living voice can grow. A brave voice can change. A quiet voice can become strong. Repeat after me. My voice is alive. My voice can grow. My voice can become strong. I do not stop today. I keep practicing gently. Good. One more time. My voice is alive. My voice can grow. My voice can become strong. The morning is moving now. The street sounds are louder. The room is brighter. My coffee is finished. My heart feels calmer. I touch the notebook softly. I look at the window again. The day is waiting outside. But I am not rushing. I have already started. That is the important part. I started with quiet. I started with breathing. I started with one sentence. I started with my voice. And maybe tomorrow, I will do it again. Not perfectly, not loudly, not with pressure, just calmly, just honestly, just one morning at a time. Repeat the final lines. I started with my voice. I am proud of myself. I will practice again tomorrow. One morning at a time. One sentence at a time. One breath at a time. You did well today, really. You did. Even if your words were not perfect. Even if your pronunciation felt strange. Even if you missed some sentences. You stayed, you listened, you repeated. That is real progress. Come back tomorrow, practice again. Let this routine feel familiar. Let the sentences feel easy. Let your voice feel more confident. Follow English Shadowing Lab. Keep practicing with me. And remember, you do not need a perfect morning. You only need a gentle beginning.